everyone, Joe Holbrook here, the Cloud Tech Guy. In this video, I'm going to go through side hustles. This is my favorite area pretty much to talk about when it comes to tech, because as a technical person, there's so many opportunities for you than if, for example, you're not really technical. However, that doesn't mean that you can't get into technical stuff if you're not technical. The goal of this video is to walk through the 5 important secrets that you need to know about side hustles. And as a bonus, I'm going to provide you insight into what I'm doing, as well as some resources to help you get started. We have a lot to cover. Let's dive into the video. First secret to understand is that you do not have to solve big problems. You don't need to create some revolutionary idea to make money. You go ahead and start your first side hustle. That could be rather boring. It could be affiliate marketing. It could be reselling t-shirts. I have a friend that resells t-shirts and can make $6,000 to $8,000 a month just by reselling t-shirts. If you're creative, create those designs and then resell them on sites like Redbubble, eBay, you name it. Now, for example, what I do is I like to create content. I create courses, ebooks. I resell those on many platforms. For example, here is what I do on one platform, never mind the 13 or 15 that I'm part of. I like getting royalty payments. That's just what I like to do. Now, when it comes to making 6 figures, you could do that with just courses or affiliate marketing. One thing I like to point out too is that you don't have to go out of your way to create all kinds of marketing. You don't have to have big budgets. Just get out there and try to solve a problem or create something that people want to buy. The second secret to know is that you do not need to have a lot of money. Matter of fact, you could literally get started for nothing with a lot of these side hustles. If you want to do affiliate marketing, there's almost no overhead to affiliate marketing other than having some blog posts that you could join or add to, maybe Medium, or get on WordPress and have your own site. Add the links, join the different programs out there. Here's what I do, for example, with just one specific platform that I work on for affiliate marketing. And again, just so many things you could do just to give you an idea. Now, one thing you do as well is, let's say maybe you don't want to resell courses or affiliate marketing or create books or whatever. Maybe you want to create a code base for a customer. Maybe you want to create graphics and resell them. Get on Fiverr, get on Upwork. A lot of opportunities there. People that are really good at it, they make a lot of money at it. So definitely consider that as an option as well. The next secret is that you do not have to be an expert. That is a myth. What I'm getting at here is get your start by starting. It is that simple. You don't have to have 1,000 followers on YouTube or 10,000 or 100,000 or whatever. Just get started. If you want to build that YouTube channel, just do it. If you want to go ahead and get on TikTok, do that. You want to create courses, create them. Find something that you want to write about. You want to do affiliate marketing, just do it. On the other hand, if you're a developer and you like to code, you could create apps and resell them or have customers pay you by the hour to develop something. A lot of people do that. I know one person that's into DevOps. He's able to make 10 or 15,000 over a year just part-time, just doing little projects. You know, an hour or 2 a week, not a big deal for him. So when it comes to the myth, that's been busted. You don't have to be an expert. What people want is someone that's genuine and willing to do the work. That's all you really need to get started with a side hustle. The next secret is that you need a lot of time. Now, this can be a little bit true sometimes, but in reality, once you figure it out, once you have a repeatable pattern in place, you have customers in place, it really doesn't take a lot of time to write content, to create a course, or to create affiliate links, right? Or to go out there and get on Fiverr or Upwork or BrainTrust or whatever platform you work on, you go ahead and resell your time. And with that said, you control your time, not the customer. So let's go ahead and do a quick refresher. We learned that we want to solve a simple problem. Maybe it's content for a customer. Maybe it's creating an app. Whatever it is, solve a problem. The next thing we talked about is what? We want to go ahead and realize we don't need to have a lot of money. We go ahead and invest and get started with almost nothing. Then we want to also put together systems, right? Start identifying what we can do, what we can't, and just get started. Don't overcomplicate anything. Now, one thing I'd recommend is go ahead in the description below and get the checklist and the blueprint information I've created down below in the description to help you get started. I hope this video has helped you, and if you did find it helpful, please do hit the subscribe button and also like the video as well if you haven't, and definitely download the content. Now, let's go ahead and build something.